Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of what we pack when we go camping, as we're leaving tomorrow to go on a 4-day camp up at Magoebaskloof, at a place called Corel. Looks very beautiful up there, and the only thing is we only found out a couple of days ago that there is no power there, so that's going to be a little bit interesting on keeping stuff frozen and fresh. But yeah, let me show you what we're packing as food wise. So my wife's made a menu over here basically for every day. Over there we drive through tomorrow, and we're dinner we're gonna have rice, salad and garlic buns. So over here we've got some garlic buns, feta cheese, cucumber, tomato and little packs of salad dressing, which is really nice for camping as you don't need to take a whole bottle with. And yeah, and then tomorrow before we leave I'll be putting a nice big juicy steak in the cooler box. And then Sunday we've got rusks, cereal and coffee in the morning. Lunch we're going to be having hot dogs, and in the evening do some nice juicy ribs on the braai as well, and we're going to do pasta with sauce. And over there you can see the pasta. Yeah, my daughter is gluten intolerant, so we have to buy special pasta for her. And here's a nice easy way of just making the pasta a bit more exciting. And then we've got sauces for hot dogs. You got to have tomato sauce and mayonnaise on your hot dogs. Some fresh buns, rusks. There's also long life milk. This also is nice and convenient for camping, as you don't need to take a full 2 litre, basically just a bottle a day. And then pre-packed oats in little sachets, which also make it nice and easy. And then on Monday we've got rusks again, eggs, bacon and coffee in the morning, nachos for lunch, which I can't wait for. We've got nachos over here. My wife's still got to grate the cheese. We've got some avo over there, some tomato paste for, I presume, is for the pizza in foil, and we're going to do little salami pizzas in foil. There's a salami over there. Then Tuesday, when again rusks, cereal and coffee in the morning, cheese and biscuits. So we got some nice camembert, brie, and some nice gluten-free biscuits. At least my daughter can have some of those. And then she's also got a pack of homemade biscuits her gran made for her, and wheat crackers for us. And then in the evening we're gonna have rice and stew, so just pack the meat tomorrow. And we've already pre-packed some rice, just enough for camping, in a little tub there. Then over here we've got water, cool drink, small waters for the kids, and chips. Got to always have some crisps for snacks, and then a bag of sweets. Always good to fill up on sugar and chocolate. Then over here we've got our box, which has got a few condiments in. So braai spice, spray and cook, which is always good to have in the frying pan, oil, tin foil, which is for the pizzas, a bowl just to mix stuff in, put stuff in. Always good to have Colton towel. And then I'm going to be trying these for the first time. Just quick and easy breakfast meal as well. Then we've got stocks, coffee sachets, cooking sauce, and then measuring cups, a hand towel, and hand wipes, baby wipes. Always good to keep in the camp box. And then over here we've got 3 black ammo boxes, which we store our stuff in as well. Over here we've got cutlery, which is knives and forks and cooking stuff, tin opener, knife, Nice coffee maker, wine glass for my wife, non-stick frying pan, then a toaster for the gas cooker, tongs for braai, tablecloth, and plates, and a few plastic cups for the kids. And then in this one, cooking utensils. This, we've got a few more steel coffee mugs and tin metal dish to put our meat in once it comes off the braai. And then this here is just a single plate gas cooker with a spare bottle. And this here we've labeled tools and lights, which I see has also got a few kids things in, like beach balls. There's our kettle as well. We've got a braai light, a rubber mallet for the pegs for the tent, and a solar light, which is really nice. That just charges outside. We've got mozzie mats for mosquitoes, and then a couple of batteries, spare batteries for the torches and the lights, and then a couple of card games just to keep the kids busy while we're there. And then over here we've got a cast iron pot, which is what we're going to use to make the stew. A little bit difficult to do this with one hand. Yeah, so there's the cast iron pot lid, which you can just put on a few warm coals and let the stew cook slowly in there. Hey guys, it's the next day, travel day. We're going to be packing the trailer, loading everything up so we can leave. But I'll just do a walkthrough of the trailer as well. We've got a Campmaster Town and Country 210 with the Tenco tent on top, the junior tent. Let's show you inside. So inside we've got a plastic table, and then over here we've got a fold-up mattress, and then another table over there under it. Always keep a broom in your trailer, just for when you're done to sweep out the tent. Got a couple of camping chairs, and then a stretcher over here, and then pool noodles for the kids to play with in the pool. In the nose cone we've got our braai grid over there, bit of ground sheet, bottle just to keep water in with a tap in the bottom, so we don't have to keep going to the tap, just keep it by the trailer. And then a drying rack and a bowl just to do dishes with a couple of dishwashing cloths and soap, and that's about it.